Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Saurashtra University's external account. So let's get started. So to log into your Saurashtra University's external account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar you can search for Saurashtra University's login external. And after searching for that option, now what you can do is just tap on this first option which says Saurashtra University's caption, Saurashtra University's campus and its main system. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's username and then enter your account's password. So in the username blank, you can also enter your email address. If you have an email address, you can just enter your Saurashtra University's email address. After entering your username, now what you can do is just simply enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, now what you can do is just tap on After entering your account's password, now what you can do is just tap on login here. After tapping on login here, you successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, you can easily reset or recover your account's password. So after recovering your account's password, what you can do is just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have recovered. Then tap on login. After tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if that does not work, then what you can do is just tap on new registration. After tapping on new registration, what you can do is just create a new account. And after creating a new account, you can use that. That's it guys, this is how to log into your Saurashtra University's external account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.